All right, guys, we're going to talk about something, and it is the advanced features for your BGW320 optimizing for the best network for 2026 gaming and streaming. All right, so the problem that I've seen here is that BGW320 has some issues. The issues is it's on automatic. Your PlayStation, your computer, your Xbox can now pick up 5G and sometimes Wi-Fi 6. So we're going to go ahead and set this up to where we can get the high bandwidth demand. So this is, of course, if you're on Wi-Fi. This is all about Wi-Fi, not hardline, not Ethernet, none of that stuff. We're not tethered. We are on wireless fidelity. Now, if your speed spike, like drop and kick up and drop and kick up, we're going to isolate the BGW320's routing system to where it only picks up the 5G. And I'm going to show you that on the GUI side, the GUI. I think that's what it's called, GUI, graphical user interface. So we're going to go into 192.168.1.254. You got to be on Wi-Fi. You got to be on a computer or a cell phone or an iPad. Stay tuned. We'll be right there. All right, so on the top of the screen, you will see 192.168.1.254. We're going to go ahead and go into modify Wi-Fi security settings right here, okay? We're going to click on that, and then the next thing is we're going to type in device access code, which is going to be, for me, I would tell y'all, you will have your own, so. All right, so you're going to go into advanced options, that guy there. And then this is going to take you to Wi-Fi configuration. We are going to mess with this guy right here, the 5G. Now we're going to do, actually it's going to stay on that one there. Okay, we're going to leave that one there. 2.4, the 2.4, you're going to go ahead and, actually I don't even use 2.4. Let's go ahead and call this one. We're going to go to PA. Oh, not that one. I'm sorry. We're going to go WPA, and then we're going to call this one PlayStation. P-L-A-Y-S-T-A. Oh. Again, P-L-A-Y-S-T-A-T-I-O-N, PlayStation. And then we're going to call the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. Something fun and crazy. All right. So now whenever I pull up the Wi-Fi name and password, once you hit that little tab right here underneath where it says the buttons, that guy there. Once you hit that save, now your Wi-Fi configuration will say PlayStation. You type that password in and it will kick you into the fast 5 gigabyte. That is how you're going to get your fast Wi-Fi 5G. All right. Now you can always cut off the AX and go AN only or AC and N only. But AX is pretty good. AX is a lot faster. And you won't pick up the 2.4 because 2.4 is going to be the automatic one that's right here. So hope this helped out, guys. Y'all have a good one. What is up, people? So I got it going. This is the Wi-Fi 5G setup for the BGW320. I'll do a 620 on another video. Now, something you want to understand is you're isolated to the 5G. So if you're over 20 feet from the router, you're going to have a little bit of trouble connecting to it. That is why it's important to have extenders in the house. But this gets you going. It's a setup. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow for more. Leave a comment, give me some ideas if you want something different. Maybe isolate a different channel. I know you can kick it up to 360 megahertz, which will give you better speeds. But the higher the frequency, the lower the lower the distance. So if your router is about 25 feet away and you kick it at 300 megahertz, you might be only about 15 feet away. So hope this helped you guys out. We'll see you next time.